Hello friends, here Gurcharan again, and now I will discuss about the company named as Repco Home Finance. As you well known about this company, it has 700 crore market capitalization, and it has rewards. It provide home finance. As we know, after this recession, these companies will provide a good means boost to the industry. So I am pretty bull on the stock. It is now 34% below than its fair value. Earnings are to be forecast to grow 13% per year. So earning grew by 24% over the past year. So its risk is just that is not covered by its operating cash flow. It will be so now its peer comparison companies are SRG Housing Finance, HDFC Bank, India Bulls, but market performance it has given 6% return last 7 days, and yet 1% return is minus 72%. That's why it is very well discounted stock to invest in this stock. So valuation, as per valuation, this stock is 30% undervalued than its fair value. See here, its fair value is 172, its current is trading on 120. So this is a good sign, and its PE ratio is just 2.5 times, whereas industry has 10 times. So it might be double when it will reach to 5 times. A good sign. Price to earning growth ratio is 0.20 times. Price to book ratio is 0.7 times. Future growth they are expecting 13% per year, and as per revenue growth forecasting, so up to March 2020 they are expecting 6 billion year revenue. Analysts are future growth forecasting 13% annually. So its good points are Repco Home Finance forecasting growth 13% per year, that is good. Earning per share growth forecasting 54 rupee EPS by March 2020 22. Future return on assets they are expecting 15% over next 3 years. Past performance I will not see. Quality past performance analyzed. So earning trend Repco Home Finance having growth by 18% per year over the past 5 years. Accelerating growth. Repco Home Finance earning growth over the past year 24% exceed its 5-year average. So earning versus industry. Repco Home Finance growth over past year 24% exceed the consumer finance industry. So basically my motive is to make to video is I just see the fundamentals, but I know which stock is buy. Each stock has good fundamentals, but I don't recommend that stocks. I only recommend the stock which I want to give positional stock, like to buy positional for month 2 month. I just want to make the video through this fundamentals that you need to aware about its valuation, where the stock stands, where we should buy, and just don't go the from where I am providing the information. It's nothing. You can search this data on Google also, but you cannot find which stock to buy, when to buy, at what price have to buy. That's why I make video. So it's financial health. is at assets 118 billions. Liabilities are just very less. In short term, assets have 1.4 billions. In long term, liabilities are very low, very more 100 billions liabilities they have in long term. That to equity ratio is not covered by its, that is highly maintained 600%. That is the main big problem about it. That is very much 600 times that equity ratio is not good, and its receivables are 113 billions. That is 100 billions. So about this, that this stock is looking little bit, but at per is its price, this is very good stock. Dividend they are providing 2%. It is not a stable dividend. Current payout they are providing 5% to its shareholder. Future payout to shareholder they are expecting to 6% by 2023. Now management Yashpal Gupta is the CEO. Bifurcation of shareholding, we will see current breakdown. See, financial institution are 64%. They have 64% means a lot. Means LIC, etc. Big funds, HDFC, they have 64.5%. 46% they have. Private companies has 40%. Hedge funds has 7.4%. General public has 7%. Individual insider 0.0091. That's why it is a good stock as per its valuation. And buy on dips 200, and my minimum target will be 150. So it is pretty huge. Means now is 120. We are expecting 20% growth in this stock in short term. 20% means 150 will be, and in up to 6 months or 1 year it will be 175. So it is I am expecting 50% in the at up to 1 year. So buy this stock, accumulate, buy stop loss 100. Thanks for watching me video and share it. Repco Home Finance.